Hello, I am Glenn Wyman with Excel Fluid Group, and today we'll be discussing how to install a polymer concrete flat top on your pump station. Polymer concrete flat tops will arrive to your site with the hatches installed, chain hooks, float brackets, and upper guide rail brackets. This makes for a quick install of your overall pump station. To start the install on your polymer concrete flat top, you would prep the top of your wet well and get it clean and free of any debris. Step 2, you would apply a ring of mastic sealant around the top to place the flat top on once you get to that stage. Number 3, you would install the D-rings on the side of the flat top. These D-rings are provided by Excel Fluid Group, and they are adjustable so you can use them with whatever rigging you have on site. Step number 4 is you would rig up the flat top with whatever piece of equipment you have on site so that it picks level. This will make the install much easier. Once you have it rigged up to your piece of equipment, bring it over to the top of the wet well and get it to about within 6 inches of the top of the pump station. At this point, it's very critical that you align the center of your flat top to your discharge pipe inside your wet well. This is very critical to install the no vault and get your high max couplings aligned. Once this is aligned, set the flat top down and get it ready to pick your building. If you have any questions on how to continue with this, please reach out to us at Excel Fluid Group. Thank you very much.